Hey, good afternoon, guys. It's Wednesday on the build. Didn't make a video yesterday. I was supposed to go into town, but battery was dead and the charger that we have broke. So we've been borrowing a charger from a buddy that's made out of a toaster oven and an old welder. It works good. It broke. Got Lito sifting sand for the rendering down there. And we got Willie on the job today. He's making our door frames. Nice work here. And this is what he's using. The only thing he uses is a power planer. Everything else is chiseling hammer. What's the name of this wood? Gimelina wood. It's supposed to be really good wood for the Philippines, I guess. Show you guys what's going on today. They're putting up some new scaffolding. We got the rest of the columns poured on the roof yesterday. I haven't taken the forms off yet though. Give a shout out to Will and Chick. They have a YouTube channel. They actually have two YouTube channels. An Aussie farming in the Philippines and one Pinoy Chick Chats. They gave us a shout out on their channel. I appreciate it. Will and Chick, check their channels out. Yeah, I've been following Will for years, his channel. I learned a lot from him, and he's hilarious. He's funny. But he got his channel hacked and lost like 1,000 videos. I mean, this guy knows how to do everything. He's really good guy, really smart, knows how to do everything. A lot of informative videos. If you're like me, wanting to move here, used to sit on the couch and watch his videos every day, dreaming of coming over here, and here I am. And they said this is $1 million view. It's kind of cloudy today. But yeah, we're kind of in a valley here because there's some mountains over here. But on the other side of those mountains is the ocean. I'm only half hour, 45 minutes from the ocean. So that's nice. They've been mixing concrete up here and then handing it down to these guys rendering. And Jerry working there. It's break time right now. Guys, getting comments on the cement, how wet it was poured. That's how they do it here. I mean, this roof is gonna be strong. You figure it's got a 4-inch square grid of rebar with 5 inches of cement with another inch top coat, waterproofed. I commented, somebody talked about how wet and weak it was going to be. I commented, I'm not putting a 10,000 pound generator on the roof here. This is just going to be solar panels. I mean, what do I need, a 20-inch pour? Come on. Like Will would say, there's 100 ways to skin a cat. But there's not going to be any problems here, that's for sure. I hope not. They took the scaffolding down over here. I'm gonna go down and see what they finished over here, because I The truck died over here earlier today, so we walked back to the house. Just walked back because we can usually see what they accomplished when we're driving up from the western side. I'll tell you guys about our property taxes that we paid a couple weeks ago. I couldn't believe how much it was. We had to have our land deed for it, and it showed the square meters of our property here. And it's bigger than I thought, because don't bite me. I calculated the hectares and the square meters into acres. We have 6.45 acres here. And if you pay your property taxes on time with the currency conversion of 55 pesos to the US dollar, guess what we pay for 1 year property taxes on 6.45 acres? $2.58. It's crazy. So this is rendered. Still a little wet, but when I came yesterday, I couldn't believe how thick they rendered. That's all rendered right there. That's like over 4 inches of rendering they did on the outside of the house. I don't have anything to... This is a 3-inch pipe right here, so... Yeah, they rendered like 4 inches. They put a fishing line up so they know how much to put up level. I mean, it looks great. I don't want it super smooth, so the paint's got something good to stick onto. I'm using a waterproof, it's like an epoxy. They have an epoxy paint here, so that's what I'm going to use on this. Seal it real good and waterproof it. Got the electrician on site today, and we weren't here, so we tried to put an outlet there underneath the countertop. So now he moved it up, because it's going to be like a dirty kitchen out here. We're going to have a countertop with a sink and a small gas stove, so when the wife cooks stinky fish, it won't smell up the house. Yeah, this is looking good. Guys are probably upset for last break today. I usually bring them ice cold Pepsi in bottles, or Gatorade in bottles. I think they enjoy it, but I didn't feel like carrying over a cooler full of pop. They rendered the top here. I don't know if I can get a view to show you how thick they render it or not. They just do it in layers. I'm really happy with how things are going. These guys are doing a good job. So things will start moving fast here in the next couple weeks. Hopefully we get the window people here. Got to go to town and buy some doors. It's coming along. Not quick enough though. I'm ready to move in over here. I mean, it's not all rainbows and unicorns over here. I mean, I haven't been without water for 2 weeks, I think, at the in-laws' house. It's like getting water from the river, and the brownouts, no electricity. But it could be worse, right? I could be punching the clock every day. All right, guys. Well, that's a Wednesday update for you. Things are going well. And I'll take another video tomorrow for the YouTube video Nazi boss. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you tomorrow. Later.